Are you wasting hours scrolling through products, hoping to find the next bestseller for your dropshipping store? What if I told you that the secret isn't just what you sell, it's where you find it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the best dropshipping product resources for 2025, even if you're just starting out. Let's make this the year you finally launch a winning store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs start and grow successful online businesses. Today, we're diving into one of the most important parts of dropshipping, finding winning products from the right resources. Whether you're a total beginner or already running a store, this guide will give you a clear path to reliable and profitable product sources in 2025. Section 1. What makes a good dropshipping product? Before we talk about where to find products, let's understand what we're looking for. Here's what makes a product dropshipping gold in 2025. Problem solving. Think of products that make life easier or solve a pain point. High demand, low saturation. You want items that are trending, but not overused. Good profit margins. Ideally, you want to make at least 20 to 30% per sale. Lightweight and easy to ship. Avoid fragile or bulky items. Wow factor, something that grabs attention in ads and makes people stop scrolling. Keep these in mind while browsing through product sources. Section 2. Top 5 product research resources for 2025 now. Let's get to the real deal. Where to find these products? 1. AliExpress with a twist. It's still a go-to, but now use AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Shows trending products, order volume, and supplier ratings. Look for sellers with fast shipping via AliExpress Standard or Kanyao. 2. Oddodds Product Research Tool. This is a smart tool that shows hot products, profit margins, and supplier options. You can filter by niche, price, and popularity. Ideal for both beginners and pros. 3. Sell the Trend. All-in-one tool with product analytics and video ads. It even finds viral TikTok and Facebook ad creatives you can study. Also includes a store spy tool. See what's working for others. For Dropship.io simple and clean interface. Tracks fast-growing Shopify stores and the exact products they're selling. Super helpful if you want to keep up with real-time market trends. 5. TikTok and Instagram search type in hashtags like hashtag Amazon finds, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, or hashtag dropshipping. Look at what's going viral right now. You'd be surprised how many winning products show up this way, and fast. Section 3. Bonus tips to pick the best one. Okay, you've got the tools, but how do you pick the right product? Check for good supplier reviews. Look at shipping times and feedback. Validate demand using Google Trends or TikTok views. Test 2 to 3 products at a time, not just one. Don't get attached. Let the data decide. Look for video ads or UGC potential. For recap and motivation, let's quickly recap. Look for problem solving, profitable, low competition products. Use smart platforms like Oddodds, Sell the Trend, or TikTok for fresh finds. Always test and validate before going on. And remember, you don't need hundreds of products. Just one good one can change your game. Dropshipping success is about consistency, not luck. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly e-com content. Have any questions or want a video on a specific tool? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Let's make 2025 the year you launch your dream store. You've got this.